I told you I'm on the way. When I was sitting back in that pen, told you niggas trying to figure out what the fuck I needed to do with my life, man. Shut all my niggas locked up. It was 10 years gone, yeah. Until I ran into this music, man. Of course, Mac though.
Yeah, they didn't think I was focused like post-incarceration. I had an adversary, he was focused on them statements. Went from next tail, now you see them next tail. Spreading lies on the sheets, you cannot excel. With these lies gotta be the truth. How you looking at the sky, cannot see the roof. Gray hair grown and I'm still up in my youth. Soldier in my struggle, fam, I gotta be a troop. If them haters see me now, he gotta take a look. Denying all these friendships, even on the book. Now take a look, if you see it on my vision frames. Everybody acting different, but they been the same. Been the broad, been the bitch, and they still the lame. It's just the shit I was missing sitting in the prison. I gotta get you right, how to grow a coalition. I gotta give you facts when they moving on opinion. I'm a leader, so you know I had to start making many plans, steady headed to my destination. I'm smoking Buddha cause I really think it's medication. That sour diesel, see me mobbing out of Al Pacino. I got a story cause I really know my life is real. My psych is crazy like you heard a track from Cypress Hill. And true indeed, I ain't never thought I'd do a track. I was laughing at them niggas steady moving packs. Waiting for a chance, waiting for my prime, waiting from the bench when they wasted all that time. I was waiting on the chance, waiting on my shine, waiting from a glance, see me catch you from behind. I was waiting on the chance, waiting for my prime, waiting from the bench when they wasted all that time. I was waiting, I was.
N.I.F.F, baby. N.I.F.F, baby. Shit's out here. Really going to work out here, baby. I mean, for the 719 for the city. Yeah, baby. Pages is a virtue, man, baby. When you really just sit back and just watch the world, N.I.F.F, baby. From inside the box. Now I'm outside the box. I'm trying to make everybody get outside the box. Yeah. Yeah. I was waiting on the chance, waiting for my prime, waiting from the bench when they wasting all the time. I was, and I was waiting, I was, until everybody shooting out them subliminal shots. Get at me. I'm in the 9, stay in the 9, motherfucking N.I.F.F. It's been like this.